All right, so starting out, one of the most important rules of using the PT45 is to always use the back of the trimmer and the guard against your face. I see a lot of guys dig in. Making sure that you're using the back of the trimmer is also gonna give you more control when it comes to more precise trimming. When you're using the guards, make sure that you slide that guard on there tight all the way to the bottom and that it locks in to ensure that this is gonna trim properly. Before you start trimming, make sure you lubricate the blades with the trimmer oil provided.
After applying the oil, make sure to turn on the trimmer so both sides of the blade can be lubricated. To charge your trimmer, plug in the charging base to the wall. Drop in the PT45 and the power indicator will light up, letting you know how much power your trimmer has. To put your trimmer in travel mode, hold the power button down for 5 seconds. You'll see an orange lock icon displayed, letting you know that the trimmer is now locked. To unlock, hold the power button down for 5 seconds once again. The trimmer will turn on and you can then begin trimming.